special delivery.
Okay guys, Carty&Carty again guys with another amplifier repair. This time it's let me show you guys. It's a STETSOM. This one is dirty like, oh, let me show you inside first guys. It's a STETSOM 8000. So guys, looking like this. Yep, EX8000EQ. Okay, alright, and this is the 1 ohm version of it. Okay, alright, as you can see here guys, these fans taking a lot of dust guys. Look here, look at all this dust here, all that dust. This side here, you guys can see it's messy. Yeah, you guys can see, yeah, that's pure. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to get rid of that dust. And yep, so yes guys, so everything looks fine, but from what I'm seeing, no, well, everything don't look fine here, as you guys can see. There's a burn trace of MOSFET. Yeah, the circuit was, was burning here too. Right here we have the Q31, that's transistor 31, and here Q14. But all of these you could see, and yesterday went through some severe eating here, like they were eating up the legs here. So all of these power supply MOSFET we're gonna have to change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, and that side, so 2, 8, 16. So I have 16 of them, and let me tell you which one it uses. If see if it uses there. Okay, so yeah, these are the 1404. Yeah, these are the 1404s. So yeah, so alright, 1404 guys. Gonna make me answer this phone guys. Okay guys, sorry about that call. Man, poor teller. I hope I don't get copyright for that, so I'm gonna just mute it out or something like that. I don't know why the phone chose to ring at this time. So alright, so let me see guys, these output MOSFET here, let me see what output MOSFET this amplifier uses. Oh, you guys can see that dust on these things here. So this uses output MOSFET IRFP 90N20. Okay, 90N20 in this one. So let me see here. N20 for the output MOSFET, guys. 90N20 out for the output MOSFET, and these are working. Seem to be reading fine. I hope they do right through. I hope they do. Yeah, they do guys, read okay. But let me take this thing apart as I tell you guys what I'm going to do. I'll take this apart. Let me take it apart. That takes this out. And then I go blow it out. I should blow it out first, and then yeah, I should just blow it out for now. Alright guys, give me a minute. I blow it out. Okay guys, amplifier removed from the chassis. Amplifier board removed from the chassis, and it looks like this. And you could see right here was show it. You could see if you guys can get a better view of it, but the transistor that I was talking about, MOSFET. Let me show you the board where it show you on the board the impression right here. It was burning, and also here. So, yeah, amplifier is really dusty. Yes, guys, so let me see if this amplifier has ever been worked on, and it seems like somebody replaced these MOSFET already, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, working already. Somebody working it already. Alright, so I'm going to Ghana, whichever guys Ghana going to, you guys. You guys heard me say that a lot because I'm from Jamaica, so you know, guys, yeah, Jamaica. So you normally say Ghana, you know, do this, you know. We say going to too, but and I mostly use like, you know, we mostly like Ghana sometimes. So yes, guys, I'm going to remove the bad Power Supply MOSFET, yeah, which is the 1404s, and reinstall some new ones and check around and see what else is bad. But this amplifier come to me, they said one of the wire fell and touched onto the other one while the amplifier was on, and yeah, they only heard the popping sound, and then that's it from there, you know. So yep, yes, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead, remove all these MOSFET, guys, and get back to you when I'm gonna do the reinstall of the new one. Yeah, so I'm gonna freshen up this amplifier with some fresh new MOSFETs in a couple of minutes, guys, so please stay tuned for the repair of this EX8000 Stetson, yeah. And that's how the circuit board looks, guys. Yep, that's it right there. It's a little beauty. I love to see circuit boards, guys, just tell you, yeah, the layout and everything look like a little city. Yes, guys, when I was little, I always loved circuit board because the layout look like a little city, and I used to love play with the calf, look at these and stuff, you know. But I love electronics, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys, I'll get back to you in a second, couple of minutes, I mean. Yeah, so I hate to work on a dirty circuit board, so that's why, guys, I always clean the dust while I go, because I just hate seeing the dust. So alright, guys, I'll be back with you in a couple of seconds, guys. Alright, minutes. I'm gonna remove all those Power Supply MOSFET, all of them, all 18 of them, and put fresh one, and we move on from there. And some gate, yeah, I think I'm going to have to change some gate resistor from what I'm seeing here. Yeah, so this resistor, what resistor, let me tell you guys before I pause. Resistor R, this is R103, yeah, that one smoke up, and also R106, yeah, also smoke up. Wow, not only that, even R109, yeah, they're in bad condition, very, very bad condition, guys. So see you guys in a second. So guys, I'm going to see install some Power Supply MOSFET 1404s, and I'm using this type here. Let me see if I give you a good view of them. Give you guys a back view and front view of the one I'm using here. Yep, so that's what I'll be using, guys. So yeah, that's the one I'll be using right now. So let's go. And let me tell you guys, here I replace resistor 97, also resistor 87, resistor 93. All of those are 10 ohm resistors there. So yeah, I replaced them just now. They were burnt. Yeah, really burnt really bad. Let's go. Yep. 1404 guys, installing some 1440. So you see I do them, I put this in and I feel underneath just a little and I give it a little push. As you could see the rest of you could copy off the rest of the other MOSFET and you'll see how they're already soldered, so you know exactly how to solder them. I'm going to bend the pin to a little curve shape. Sometimes I bend them before I depend on the amplifier I'm working on. So I just put it in and bend them by myself. Well, anyway I do it, it's bent by myself. Sometimes I'm just saying, sometimes I don't put it in the circuit board to bend it. I use like I'm gonna show you guys. So what I do sometimes guys is use this bird beak pliers and I give it a little like this, a little U shape, a little bend like this. I come like this and sometimes I do this. Yeah, and I give it a little bend like that guy, yeah. So, yep. Put a little solder because this one didn't clean out that great. Yep. Alright, so that's how you do it guys. So right now guys, I'm gonna replace all these MOSFET and get back with you guys and the repair of this STETSOM 8000. Alright guys, more details coming up in a couple of minutes. Okay guys, back again. So now replace all the Power Supply Mosfet guys already. Yes, I did. I really did. Get rid of some of this flux from this thing. I'm gonna wash the board again anyway guys, but I like to get rid of this excess flux between the pins right here. I like to scrape that flux away. I make sure I don't have any solder bridge between the traces right here, between the pins of the MOSFETs. Make sure I don't have any solder bridge. Definitely. That wouldn't be good. Yep. I hate seeing these solder, these ugly looking flux and circuit board, but it doesn't do any harm. And another thing I hate to see guys is like unfinished work where they have the pin of these things like really tall for the cap and stuff. Even though they don't touch it, I get amplifier before where these touch the chassis. In some these pin touch the chassis. I don't know, they don't do a good finish when I do this. But I have amplifier like that to repair. Give me really headache. I remember I have an amplifier repairing. It was I don't remember if it was it was a Brazilian amplifier. I'm not sure which one it was, but what pin was touching the chassis. Yeah, and I tell you man, that thing gave me hell to find the problem, because it was when I pulled it out the circuit and tested everything was okay. Once I screwed up, yeah, it started shorting out. Yeah, so I have that problem before guys. So yeah, definitely stuff happen, as you can see. So as I told, I'm going to wash the circuit board now. Yeah, and that's that side, and this is this side right here. Yeah, so yeah. So what I use guys, let me show you. My equate 91% rubbing alcohol. And let me see if I find my little brush right here. My little made in China brush, my little China brush. Well, oh boy, I said China brush. Yeah, some of you Jamaican will understand what I mean when I said that. When I say that, shiny brush. Yes, guys, this one was made in China, so it's a Chinese brush. I saw. Yes, guys. So yep. Yeah, this is what I use to clean my circuit board. I cut this brush and yeah, I cut this Chinese brush, as you know. So funny when I say it like that. This, yeah, guys, it's just a brush made in China, guys. You know, just not like get your, you know, don't think what you're thinking. If you are Jamaican, you understand what I mean, or if you are Trinidadian, you understand what I mean, or you know, Guyanese, Caribbean, you know, yeah, Virgin Island, yeah, you guys understand what I mean. If you're from the US, you understand what I mean. If you're from, you know, Jamaica, you have Jamaican friends. When I say Chinese brush, you know. Yeah. Yeah, if you're from any one of those islands, you know, St. Thomas, St. Croix, yeah. When you say Chinese brush, yeah, we know what you mean. Yep. Dominican, I don't know about Dominica. I'm not sure they know what you mean when you say that. But a lot of other Caribbean island that I don't call, they know. Say Lucia, ha. Oh yeah, they know what you mean. When you say Chinese brush, yeah, they know. I'm not gonna say what is Chinese brush, but you know, guys, they know. So da da dee, da da da. This side now. I do something like that, like this, and I just clean it like that, guys. That side is finished. I go this way, and you could see on here, like you could see the, you know, then I'm gonna just wipe that away. Yep, that's a flux from between, just to make sure all is well. Yes, guys, when you finish, it should look like that. Look just like that, or like, you know, nice and clean, fresh looking. Okay, so guys, definitely I'm gonna have to, well, I'm gonna check around, you know, just to make sure nothing else is wrong with this, and then I'm going to remove all these old heatsink compound from the transistors and put some fresh one when I'm gonna install it into the chassis, and you know, I'll get back to you guys. But definitely I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video, so that's where I'm gonna do bench test and everything. But for now, yeah, install all those MOSFET, these transformer, toy transformer down here, and this inductor here. They are this, yeah, a little, this have a little play in it, but they read okay. So as I said, I'm going to check around again and poke into the circuit board. And right here, this did have a power supply failure, and this IC right here, they have 2 of them. That's 75 watts, and these numbers 27524, 27524. These two 27524. Let me show you guys where they are. And one right here, and then one right over here, right between here. So they have U16 and U15. I'm going to remove these guys. I'm going to replace them just to be safe. You know, I'm going to replace these. And also in this chassis, guys, let me show you this fan. They're sucking a lot of debris and stuff. I'm going to replace this fan. I'm going to put new ones. Yeah, for those, you know, I like freshen up the amplifier, you know. So yeah, I'm going to replace all those fans. And these 2 IC right here. That sends 5 volts to switch on the Power Supply MOSFET. So okay, guys, so see you on the next one. Alright, guys, alright. Of this EX8000 EQ STETSOM amplifier. Alright guys, Carty&Carty out for now.
Special delivery.